thoughtful gardener. Many times when we think about native plants that are flowering for wildlife, we think about flowers. What we forget is that many of our shrubs that are native to this area also have flowers. This is a clethra, sweet clethra. It's a native kind. There's one also called ruby spice, which has a beautiful pink flower on it. These are brand new. I put them in early spring, and you can see they are covered with these tiny little white flowers that smell delightful and are full of great nectar and pollen for this native bee. So when you're thinking about your landscape, think shrubs too, because as you can see, there are thousands of tiny little flowers that this bee is nectaring on. So it's important to keep that in mind as you're designing and executing on your native plant plan. Garden thoughtfully. Take care.